Hey guys! So truthfully, filming in front of my Christmas tree sounded a lot more pretty than it looks, but here we go. I'm gonna share with you today my Christmas gift. So I'm planning on uploading this on the New Year's Day, so I hope you got safely into the new year. I hope you have a lovely 2020, and yeah, just welcome in this new decade, basically. So I think what I want to do now is show you my Christmas gifts, not to show off, but just because I like to remind myself as well, so I can look back on it next year to see what I got and what I did with all these things and stuff like that. I have very evil flies in my apartment right now. Sorry for that. So let's get started. This is just a random order because I'm just grabbing things and showing them. So first off, my mom got me this pillow as well as one of these boards that you can put on your bathtub, so I have a nicer bath time. So this is a pillow you can put behind your back so you don't have to lie on the tiles, and then the board you can put drinks on or your book or whatever, and you can just lie it on top of the bathtub. So that was a very thoughtful gift. Then I got two more of these angels. These are little Christmas decorations. I'm just gonna show you one because this is the one I really wanted to have this year, because it's one that has a electric guitar. Right, there he is. Yeah, I think these are precious. They're just little Christmas decorations. I have a ton of these and they're very delicate and very pricey as well. So I was lucky to receive two of those. Then this is some stuff that my friend got me. First of all, she got me a Christmas decoration. This is like a little snow globe, basically. So this is what it looks like. Not quite sure where I put it yet, but yeah, it's a little gingerbread man snow globe. Then she got me this lovely pair of socks with little cat planets, which I absolutely adore. They're also glittery, so super cute. This is some little Christmassy set. I don't even know whether this just fell in here or whether she gave it to me, but yeah, this is a very nice scent because it has pistachio, and I also had some of these products in my advent calendar. And she also got me some Yankee Candle things. This is a little perfect tree sampler. I love this candle a lot. I had it before. And then also the mini one of the mango peach salsa, again one I had before and really liked. She also got me a ton of these very pretty teas. They're called Kusmi tea, and she got me three different ones. I think this is a mate tea. This is with peppermint. Where does it say what flavor it is? I don't know. Well, this was peppermint, and this is more like a fruity with apple. And then more sweets. I can't wait to get into these. And finally, a book of poetry. This is called A Spring Harvest, Geoffrey Bach Smith, something like that. I've never heard of this, but I'm excited to try it out and see what this is all about. Then I wished for a ton of kitchen stuff, so these are kind of convenience gifts, but I really needed those. So for example, I wished for more cutting boards, so I got these for cutting boards, and yeah, I just really needed some of them and I knew I wouldn't buy them myself. And the cat is staring at me. She wants the cutting boards. Then my grandma also gave me the next book in this series, Rita Mae Brown. This is a crime novel where the cat solves the crimes, so she always gives me these kind of books. She started my collection of these, so she is also in charge of giving me more. Then my partner gave me the next one of the Simon's Cat calendars for 2020, which I actually wished for because I had one this year and I absolutely loved it, so that's great. And he also gave me an amazing tea. This is called Arabic Night, and this is yeah, very interesting tea. This has, I think, green tea. I already forgot again. So we'll see. We have to try this. We haven't tried it yet because I wanted to film this video first, but I'm really excited to try this tea. Some more convenient gifts were these pots that I really needed, so I got these for my family. As I said, I just really needed some new smaller pots, so yay! My partner also gave me more socks. He gave me sushi socks, so you probably can't see that well, but there's sushi on them. Oh my god! I know that I will be hungry for sushi whenever I wear these. And the other ones are Avocado Socks. So they have little avocados on them. And they're both so cute and so precious, and I just love that people gave me socks. Because I think, I know it's kind of a joke, you know, getting socks for Christmas, but like these kind of cute, funny ones, they really, really make me happy. Then I have a couple of gifts from my best friend. She gave me one of these bathtubs. This is a round midnight bath bomb, so this would be great for New Year's Eve, I guess. This is by Hey Mountain, and Hey Mountain actually are closing down their online shop, so this is probably the last bath bomb I'll ever get from them. I'll do a separate video about this, but it's kind of a bittersweet gift. She also got me this little tea bag, which is quite literally a handbag. I don't know whether I can really use this because I have other tea bag thingies, but yeah, it's cute, it's fun. Not something I really needed in my life. And then she got me and my partner these little bracelets, and these are actually for a good cause. She also sent me a video how I can make this bigger so it actually fits around my wrist. I just haven't done that yet. But yeah, these are just really cute bracelets, and I think for every bracelet you buy, they plant a tree, if I remember correctly. So they're actually for a good cause, and I really like that idea of not only giving to your friend, but also giving to the world. So yeah, that was a very, very thoughtful gift. Speaking of thoughtful gifts, my best friend also gave me this advent calendar, which is full of good deeds. So every day you open this, and I guess they did a good deed for you. I don't know. I have to try this, but obviously I can only open the first door on the 1st of January because my birthday is actually on the 24th. So I always have a advent calendar leading up to my birthday as well. I'm sorry, Jesus, but yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a very unique one. I haven't seen something like that yet. And then my best friend also got me a Lord of the Rings calendar, which you can't see that well, but this is with illustrations by Alan Lee. I absolutely love this. I haven't looked into it yet because it's not January yet, but I definitely will find a good place for this. Now we have another kitchen gift from my aunt, but this one got me so excited, and I already tried it and it worked quite well. So this might not look that fancy, but it's actually a box, and you can lift this up, maybe, possibly. You need more hands than one, I promise. And then inside you have this baking tin, and basically you can bake your cake with the glass bottom already on. So you just take this off when the cake is ready, and you can serve it on this glass tray. And you don't have to struggle to get your cake without breaking onto this. And this is so cool. Like, how cool is that? As I said, we've already tried it. It worked super well. I would not carry it right here because I just don't trust it because, you know, it is glass. But yeah, it worked so well, and this is so cool. I hope this lasts because I'm always worried about these kind of things breaking. But we will see. Right now I'm just super excited, and my birthday is coming up, and my birthday usually is the time when I try some new cakes and stuff like that. So yeah, if you didn't know, I do have a cooking and baking channel. I did a vlogmas period there right now, so I have 24 videos uploaded in December waiting for you if you want to check those out. And so you will see all of these things that are kitchen things in those videos, I promise you. So if you want to see more of them, just head over to Baking Cooking Fun, my cooking channel. Now, possibly the most precious gift I got this year is this version of The Hobbit. So this is some kind of a collector's version. I don't really remember what it is called, but it's basically this box that you can open. And in there you have a couple of little leaflets with information. Then you have this gorgeous copy of The Hobbit, which I'm not quite sure, but I think this is the original cover. Might be wrong though. And then what really got me with this is that you get a little CD where J.R.R. Tolkien himself reads excerpts from The Hobbit. How cool is that? I have not listened to it yet, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have this, and I did not have an English version of The Hobbit yet, so I don't feel like this is unnecessary. So yeah, this is so precious. It's gorgeous. And actually something I had on my wish list for almost the whole year now. So yeah, I'm very glad about this. My mom gave us some Christmas cookies. As you can see, they're nice and juicy because they have stained the bag a little bit. Those are delicious. I actually put them on my cooking channel. Those are the nougat biscuits that I did this year. So if you want to try them out, I highly recommend. Then my mom made me some lovely socks again. I always love these a lot. Blue. I like blue. And I also like it when they have those little edges right here. So very nice. Then she got me some more healthy snacks, some nuts and stuff like that. She got me another homemade face cream as well as a homemade soap, and my battery is blinking, so yay for that. And then one thing I found so hilarious is she also got my cat some treats. So she's getting something for Christmas as well. Lucky cat. Does she deserve it? I don't know. But yeah, she really got lucky there. My mom also gave me this huge chocolate Santa as well as some Yves Rocher gifts. This is a shower gel, a little candle, a hand cream and a hand soap. So just a little set like that. Very, very helpful, and I love Yves Rocher. They have nice products. Then my other grandma made me these precious little straw angels to hang on my Christmas tree. I have 3 of those, so yeah, they made them themselves. How cool is that? Super, super cool. Then another convenient gift is this. You can't see it. Great. This is new knives. I definitely needed some new good sharp knives because mine were not sharp anymore. So they got me this huge set with this, which is amazing. And we already tried the knives and they're really good. I hope they last, but right now they're so good. Then for the cuteness factor, they got me these little cat thingies that you can put under hot pots so they don't destroy your furniture if you put them on that. Adorable! Like, my mom is so good at finding this kind of stuff and I love these. They're so cute. Then I wished for Mother. This is a very interesting movie, to say the least. I really wanted to watch this with my partner because I wanted to see whether he can understand what this is actually about. I did not. I had to Google it. But yeah, lovely movie. You have definitely to be in the mood for it. But if you are, this is amazing. Like, I really liked the message of this film. So definitely the heaviest gift is my new Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire illustrated edition. Oh my god! It's finally here. It took 2 years to come out. And it's gorgeous. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. So I can't wait to get into these. I still haven't reread the 3rd one. So I feel kind of bad about it. But yeah, I love these illustrated editions. And just another reason to reread Harry Potter. And then my grandma also gave me some homemade things like this kind of jam, which is with plums, and this homemade juice out of their own vineyard, basically. So pretty cool. So my camera ran out of battery, and now the sun destroys my video plans. I can't film like this! So I changed my angle a little bit and I hope this works out. I've been waiting for half an hour now, not over half an hour, for the sun to move, but it's just not happening right now. So let's keep on filming this video. Basically, I was just saying that my grandma also gave me a ton of sweets and other delicious things as well. Some cookies she made herself. And then she gave me this cute little calendar for cats. So whenever 1 month has passed, you can take it out and use it as a bookmark. So that's really, really cute. I love cats, you know that. My cat is just annoyed with me and leaving the room. Great. So yeah, I have that. And my other grandma got me this huge bag of sweets as well, because, you know, we all need those extra calories for Christmas time. And the family of my partner sent me a ton of cookies and homemade chocolate as well, which is super cool. I can't wait to try all of these. And then 2 gifts are left that my partner gave me. One is this roll. This looks very boring, I know, but this is actually super cool for posters, because for my work I often have to carry around posters to go on conferences and stuff like that. So this is super handy, because before this one I always had to take random cardboard thingies, and this is just so much more stable for my posters. And then lastly, he gave me this amazing t-shirt. And if you recognize this, let me know in the comments down below. I will not spoil it, but yeah, this is great. This is a Phantom t-shirt that I really appreciated. I'm very happy that I have it, even though it's a little bit big, but I feel like for around the house and stuff like that, it's perfect. So I think that would be all I wanted to share with you. Thanks to the sun, this took forever, but I hope you still enjoyed it. Leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. Let me know what your favorite Christmas gift this year was. I hope you had a lovely time. As I said, happy 2020, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye!